In the Russo-Ukrainian War, how was Russia defeated by NATO weapons? Let's understand this through a 3D animation. On February 24, 2022, the Russo-Ukrainian War officially broke out. Russia used its powerful fleet of attack aircraft and tank-armored personnel carriers to steamroll Ukraine. As can be seen on the map, by March 12th, Russian forces had advanced close to the Ukrainian capital, Kyiv. By this time, the weapons NATO provided to Ukraine had already been deployed to Ukrainian soldiers. Among the most formidable was the conventional Javelin missile provided by NATO. Its combat capability has reached the current limit of individual air defense equipment. The U.S., possessing the most advanced Javelin missiles, of course, would not give Ukraine the very best. There's also the U.S. NLAW anti-tank missile. The NLAW anti-tank missile was mainly provided to Ukraine by the UK. It's considered a member of the third generation of anti-tank missiles. Even more impressive is the U.S. Javelin missile, which features an infrared focal plane array seeker, making it a fully automatic guided fourth-generation anti-tank missile. Russia, for strategic reasons, did not launch large-scale air raids on cities. Although Russia still had the upper hand on the battlefield, the fighting was challenging for them. In the end, we hope the war can come to an early conclusion and the world can return to balance.